So we want to turn to the case counts now at 4, and those numbers are going in the wrong direction. 1,174 new coronavirus cases reported in Oregon today. That is breaking a 4-day streak of record highs for the state. And the state health authority tells us Multnomah and Washington counties are leading the way.
In Washington, the state's Department of Health is once again reporting delays with its database of case counts. However, a New York Times count based on reports from both the state and county health departments reports at least 1,012 new cases in the state of Washington. Nationwide, infections are at an all-time high, averaging more than 170,000 per day.
Multnomah County, the most populated in Oregon, is still seeing the largest number of new COVID cases. But get this, there's also been a backlog in processing test results.
Our Lisa Balick is looking into the numbers. She joins us live to explain. Lisa.
Well, I talked with Multnomah County health leaders today, and they say yes, they have had a bit of a delay, but they say they were working all weekend long to try and catch up on this. But what is not in dispute, they say, is that the COVID numbers, as you just mentioned, are rising and rising dramatically. Now, I found out today that they enter a lot of the case data by hand, manually into the state computers, and they admit they've had trouble keeping up. It also means a delay in contact tracers reaching those who are in close contact with someone who's tested positive. Now, as much as daily counts are reported, they're sometimes not accurate with this delay in reporting results. But in Multnomah County, cases have definitely doubled in the past month, and they're expecting it to get even worse as people are indoors more, gathering those who get together with others as well.
What we should be looking at is a trend over time, and we see, last week compared to the week before, we have more cases. When we look at this past month compared to the month before, we've more than doubled the number of cases that we have.
Now, while we found today a lot of people lining up to get tested in advance of the holiday, a test is really supposed to be more for people who have been in contact with somebody who tested positive or for somebody who has symptoms. And test results, by the way, can often take days to get back. Coming up at 5, more on what you can do if you do have family coming in for the holiday, say college kids who are coming no matter what. We talked with some doctors to find out what you can actually do to try and help keep people safe for this situation. Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.